What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com going to show you a website, BankRollBucks, different ways to make money. I'm going to show you kind of, what I do, what works for me. So, you can follow the same routine if you want to start making a little bit of money with this site. I've been using it for a while, made a good amount of money with it. So, like I said, just there's a lot of things in here. First, you will see here, uh, what I like to do is look at the July promotions. Well, they have promotions every month, but like this month for the July, these are the promotions that they're running. So basically right here, complete 5 offers, win 1 bonus bankroll buck, no limit, all offers count. So the thing is like whatever 5 things you do, whether it's a survey, whether it's an offer, you know what I'm saying? As long as you complete 5 of them, you get a bonus, bankroll buck. Each bankroll buck is equivalent to 1 penny. So I mean, it's not a big bonus or anything, but like that. But just every 5 offers you complete, you do that. So let's say you complete 10 offers, you get an extra 2 cents. So I mean, you can really just just complete many offers as you can, and obviously you're getting paid for the offer, whether it's a survey or the offer, and you just get bonuses on top of that. So that's one thing I like to pay attention to. What's the bonusing for the month? Another thing I like to look at is the offer walls. Now, I always go to add gate media wall first. This is probably one of the easiest ones to work with. And what I do is I order it by easiest. So, I know everything in this list is going to start with the easiest ones to do. The easiest doesn't always pay the most, but like I said, it's easy. So like right here, click all coupons and print can be completed once a day. So I do that once a day. That's 2 cents. Click and open this link. That's point 0.5, 1.5. Just doing things like that. I can add this Nature Walls HD to my extension to my Chrome browser. So that's 2.5. Click on the subscribe button on the banner. That's 5 cents for doing that. So you see here, I mean, the easiest things you can do, sign up with valid information, 40 cents for doing that, 40 bankroll bucks. You know what I'm saying? So what I like to do is just kind of look at what the description is asking me to do and just see, okay, is that something I can do? Right here, I tell you right here, complete the quiz with 100% score, get 100% on the quiz. What you can do with this is like sometimes you might take the quiz, 1 or 2 times, and you might fail 1 or 2 questions, but they will give you the right answer. So what you do is you get all the answers, when they give them to you, and then you retake the quiz, obviously with all the right answers, so you'll get 100% and you get credited like that. So just take a look at what they're asking you to do. Right here, sign up for the free trial. When it comes to those, it's like basically, obviously they're trying to charge you eventually, but what I like to do is just, sign up for the free trial, keep it for a day or two and then cancel it. But just make sure I get my 50 cents or my 50 bankroll bucks before I go about, canceling. That way I get credited for it. So again, just kind of look at what the offers are asking you to do in the description. And a lot of times it's just basically, signing up for things, submitting your email, valid registration, things like that. So, I mean, it's not difficult. You just have to pay attention to what they're asking you to do. So now going back up, they have more offer walls you can pay attention to. They have ones you can just click on ads and click walls and wall ads, things like that. Another good one is going to the daily surveys. Just kind of there's many surveys that you can choose from, survey providers. So you can kind of just look through. You see that the first one that sent survey, 50 cents for each one. Your survey is a really good one, 70 cents for each one. Logic surveys, that's a new one they've kind of, brought on board, 50 cents, 50 bankroll bucks. So just kind of, see what's in here for you that you would be good at. A lot of them are just, surveys that take, 10, 15 minutes. Just depends on, how fast you are taking surveys. So, definitely just go through this site and, kind of see what works for you when it comes to the offers, when it comes to the surveys and things like that. I will tell you when it comes to withdrawing from this site, all you need is $1. So they have different options of ways you can cash out. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So I can go over here to PayPal and check withdrawal. And you'll see here, PayPal, $1. You can actually get it check to your bank, $5 minimum for doing that. Go back to the gift cards. You have gift card withdrawal. So right here, you got Amazon gift cards that you can choose from, $2 minimum. So, PayPal, Amazon, getting money sent to your bank. I would say those are the top 3 ways that people want to get paid. You know what I'm saying? So they have the top 3 ways here. PayPal is obviously real money. Getting money sent to your bank, real money in Amazon. Everybody buys things on Amazon. So I mean, you can definitely just use those and, make good money with this. Also, you can get paid to click on ads every day. This doesn't, pay a lot, but it's just something that you can do every day to kind of rack up. You see, you basically get half a penny for just clicking on ads. You just click on it, maybe leave it open for 20 seconds, and then, you're good to go. So just wanted to show you guys that there's other things you can do on here. I just recommend just kind of going through the entire site, finding what works for you. Poll fish, those surveys are really quick, really easy. They're like, anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. It's just a matter of qualifying for it, obviously, but definitely take a look at those as well. But I will tell you what gives me the most success and with this site is really the offers. You know what I'm saying? Just signing up with valid information, submitting the email, signing up for free trials every now and then. That's where the money comes from, because if you're one of those people that struggle with surveys, offers are probably the best thing for you. That way you're not having to worry about getting disqualified, and you just make sure, okay, what is the description asking me? Is it asking me to sign up with valid information? So make sure when you sign up, you sign up with valid information and go through the complete sign up process. That way you're guaranteed to get paid. So just want to show you guys that. Like I said, the link to this site will be in the description. Click on it, sign up today. It is a completely free site to use. So just go in here, do some surveys, do some offers, click on ads. You can also watch videos. Number of ways you can make money with. So sign up with the link in the description. If you're interested in making even more money, visit my website. You see it there at the bottom, penniesofthousands.com. And if you're interested in making even more money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I encourage you to book a one-on-one session with me. I will leave the link to book a session in the description. I will show you what you need to do in order to make $150 every single day. This is something I personally do in addition to all these other sites. So I know it will work for you. It doesn't take me long to explain this to you. So if you want to make some real money, book a session. Link is in the description. And also sign up for this site as well, BankRollBucks, in the description. Make some good money, put some money in your pocket, and always remember, every penny counts.